Okay, guys. We got to learn today. So it's Monday. It is homecoming week. It is 9/9/19. 9/19. So, hey, that's important. We're starting out with the basic stuff in angles, right? Because we're hitting the trick. Now, this monster is ugly, and you will say unpleasant things as we proceed through this. But I'm going to tell you, what doesn't kill you will make you stronger. So if it looks impossible, just bear with me. Keep persevering, and you'll be okay. I promise you. So the first thing we got to learn is about angles. Because we're going to really deal with them extensively, right? So there's an angle, right? Yes? Now, an angle is made up of what? What's an angle made up, guys? You've had geometry. You've had Bristol, Newell, or Wiley, right? No. Triangle is three angles put together. That's the measurement of an angle. Oh, two parts of a shape. I don't know about that. Who knows how or the definition of an angle? Say it again. Go. I'm proud, girl. Yeah. It's two rays coming from a single point, guys. Rays go on forever, but they have to have a starting point, right? So these are two rays. That's how an angle is formed, right? So you got that. Anybody know what that is? Theta, right? Theta. Now we may also look at that, which is, what is that Greek term? No. Alpha. Alpha. Now, so you normally deal with this. You normally have a beginning and a terminal side, right? On an angle. Hey, I need all eyes here. Look at the ugly mug right up here. Come on. It has a beginning side and a terminal side, right? Terminal means end. Right? Terminal side means end, terminus. Okay? So you can either do if it goes this way, then we're talking about positive angles, right? Right? If it's going counterclockwise, like that, right? So you think about it counterclockwise, it's talking about that. Now, what if it's going clockwise? It would be what? It'd be a negative angle, right? So to put that there. That's not, it's inequality, right? Doesn't put an arc. So that's the angle sign. Yeah, those are notes that are not made to put on this worksheet. They're made to put in your notebook. That's probably something that would be beneficial for you to learn how to do is to take notes. Okay? So we can have positives and we can have what? Okay. We can also have what is called coterminal angles. Now, they're basically, let me raise this up. Coterminal angles, co means what? What's the root word for co? Two or more, right? Right? So it can have multiple references. For example, if I say that's 10 degrees, right? If I say that's 10 degrees, please provide me another angle measurement that would represent that. The terminal, what I mean by coterminal, they share the same ending side, right? So what would it be? What would be a coterminal 10 degrees? can't hear you. You gotta talk up. I'm half deaf and I'm walking up here. The AC's running. Huh? No. Y'all just divided by 2. No. No. Coterminal means that the angle has to end at the same spot. Has to end at the same spot, right? Huh? Wow. 350?
You said it ends at the same spot. Like, give me like
90, 350, 360. 10? No, that's 10 there. How would I find the next coterminal angle? Watch what I'm about to do. Hold on. Okay, so coterminal angle shares the same ending side, right? So here's how you find it. Ending, right? So here we go. It's 10, right? Ha ha ha. All you have to add is what? 360. Right? We're finding a coterminal angle to the 10 degrees. Well, we can also subtract it. Right? We could go what? 10 minus 360, which would be what? Negative what? 350. You go, well, Palmer, how can that be so? Guys? Same starting point, same ending point, right? Okay? So the whole premises today is being able to find coterminal angles and or really we call them reference angles, right? More reference angles to certain degrees. Now it may be multiple revolutions, right? And you need to understand that. Now the degrees part of it is pretty easy because we're either going to add 360 or we're going to do what? Subtract. And I can just keep going from there. I can take 370 and add another what? 360 and get the next one, right? Take that angle, add another 360 and get another one. Because why? What's so special about 360? It's a what? It is a circle. Man. Y'all segue right into where I needed to go. If you can measure degrees, you can also measure things in radians. Okay? Now, it is also, I'll give you a formal definition when we get into it, really. And I'll show you how it's calculated, all stuff, because we're going to hit the trig part, sine, cosine, the tangent stuff. So the radian part and the unit circle we'll dive into really deep, but we'll keep it surface level for right now. Right? How are radians measured? Well, no, they're measured in, guess what? Pi. Now, why is it that they're measured in pi? You can either talk degrees or you can talk radians. That's the two ways that you can measure an angle. Okay? So let's think about this. 360 degrees is a full revolution around a circle, right? So let's say circumference, right? C is circumference is 360 with some radius, right? Would y'all agree with that? 360 degrees with some radius. That would be circumference, correct? Whatever radius you went all the way around, boom, you measured that, that would be circumference. Y'all in agreement with me there?
Yes.
Okay, by definition, in elementary school, 3rd grade on, you learned about circumference as an equation, right? Y'all learned about it. 2 pi r, right? Or pi d, correct? Right? Food's done. Toaster rang. All right, so we're going to say 2 pi what? We don't do square. So what I'm going to do is I am going to substitute 2 pi r for circumference, right? Correct? So if I was to turn around and divide both sides by guess who? 2r. My r's cancel. Those cancel. Pi is equal to how much? 180. That's why pi is 180 degrees. Okay? Pi is 180 degrees. So if I want to go to 360, how much is 360 in radians? 2 pi. Right? It's like your pi, right? Woohoo! Yeah. That's a wonderful place to eat. Now, so pi, if we're looking at this, and we go from this side all the way over here, we have went pi radians, right? It ain't pi degrees. Degrees and radians are 2 different entities. It's like saying a cat's a dog. They ain't. Right? They're both animals, right? A radian and a degree is a measurement of angles, but they're 2 different entities. Are you okay with that? Do you understand why 180 degrees is pi? So if I go all the way around, it'd be what? That would be 2 pi, right? Positive angles are in the counterclockwise rotation. Negatives are in the clockwise. Okay? Yes. You sure?
Yes.
Oh, man, okay, I thought you had a question. Okay, any questions on that? We're going to stay surface level on this. All right? So, for grins and giggles, let's look at a reference. Y'all got this? No. If I give you pi over 3, and I say, hey, give me a positive coterminal angle. Positive coterminal angle that is coterminal to pi over 3. How would you do it? Huh? You wouldn't. Well, before you say, I can't do that, understand this. This is a lot easier than the plays you have to remember on Friday night. Okay? Guys, if I'm at pi over 3, okay, I want to find its next coterminal angle, positive. If it was degrees, you would just add 260, right? Correct? Okay. Well, we're radians, so we want a full revolution. So how much is a full revolution? And that's in degrees, but what about in radians? Huh? 2 pi. Why 2 pi? Each pi is 180. It takes 2 of them to get to 360, right? Okay, so really what I'm doing is, look, I'm adding 2 pi. Okay, back in the day, back in 3rd grade, you learned how to add fractions.
You did?
Yeah, you did. When you abstract fractions, there's one thing you got to make sure you have. What on it? Oh, man, it's still my heart. This is wonderful. So, yeah, you got a common denominator. Well, what would be the common denominator here? What? Oh, so I got to, this is 3, right? So, how did I get there? Multiply top and bottom by what? Why? So what would that be?
7 pi.
7 pi over what? Thank you. There you go. Questions? Y'all good on that? What if I said, so that was a positive, right? What if I said a negative to, let's make it interesting. Let's go a negative coterminal. Pi over 4. What would be my negative gradient? That would be coterminal for that. Well, on the angles part, what did we do? If we had to go find negative angles. Because there's a positive and a what? A negative to it, right? You subtract what? 360 if we was doing angles, right? With degrees. So we would just subtract how much now? 2 pi? Yeah. We have to change the ball game, guys. We're either adding 2 pi or we are subtracting 2 pi. Yes.
So, pi over 4,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it be a negative?
It could be, I'm just using, it could be negative. The angle that's there could be a negative or positive. And then you would have to find a positive or negative coterminal to it, right? So it depends. I'm just, for grins and giggles, I'm just using positives, right? So what would that be? How would you get 2 pi? That would be what? Pi over 4 minus 8 pi over what? 4, which is what? Thanks. Okay. Questions? Y'all good? So there's 2 different entities, right? There's left hand and right hand, right? Correct? When it comes to angles. One's measured in degrees, the other's measured in radians. Right, radians. Y'all good with that? Yes or no? Let me give you this, and it may clear up some stuff. Okay. For a radian, it's the distance of the arch. It's that portion of that circle, right? Angles are down here, correct? Radians are out here. Yeah? You're basically, how much of the circumference am I showing? That's what a radian is. Okay? Good with that? So it's the arch that is formed by that angle, right? Yeah? That's what a radian really is, okay? So you can kind of get a little bit more ingrained into it. Y'all ready? Just totally short-circuited your brain. Yeah, but it doesn't differ from any other day because they're all in the wild. Hey, what's the best day to cook? Friday. Y'all ready now? Anywho, okay. Lord help me. Okay. Can you give me a coterminal angle? That. I think it's for that. For this. Find the measure of each. Oh, find the measure of each angle. Well, there. Find the measure of each angle. That one. That's number 1 on the sheet. Sure is. So I'm gonna give you, I don't know, 30 seconds. Okay. All right, y'all ready? Let's do this. Come on. Follow. I can do that. I have to do this. Can't do that. Let's go to a different color. I want purple. Okay. So I'm going purple now. So bear with me. Ready? We're starting here. How do I know that that's my starting point? Yeah, it starts there. Okay. So, ready? Boom. How much have I win? Thank you. That's one revolution, right? Ready? That's what I had. Okay, good. Now, boom. I went around again. That's how much? Man. Okay, y'all ready? So we're going to try to keep it as simple as we can. From here. Okay. So I'm going that far. How much am I? Thank you. And then how much is this? Add them up. Add it up. Okay, hold up. Y'all said y'all came up with how much? 980 degrees, right? Is that correct?
No, it's negative.
Why do you say it's negative? Because that's the question she just asked. Why is it negative? Because it's going which way? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen.
Is that the end?
Yes, ma'am. I just circled it in black. So, where are you going to make your mistakes? There. All right. You're going to make your mistakes with either putting a positive angle or a negative, right? So, rotation. Name it, right? Name your rotation, write it down. NEG for negative, POS for positive, right? Bless you. Name it, claim it, right? Okay. Everybody good with that? Does everybody see my plan of attack? I'm working in the world of, watch this, this is crazy. I'm working in the world of 360, 180, 90 degrees. How much is 90 degrees? Yeah. I'm looking at these. How do I know where 90 degrees is? It's one full quadrant, right? It's one quadrant, because 2 quadrants would make 180. 3 quadrants would make what? 3 is 270. 4 would make what? 360, right? Right? Okay, good. Are y'all know where we're headed now? Yes? Okay, so could you do, do number 2, real quick. All right, here we go. Bless you. That much is how much? 306. Now, which way am I going? Positive or negative? Negative. Because I'm going clockwise, right? Right. So that's 360. How much is this bunch? That's 90. And then how much is this right here?
15.
How'd you get 15? 90 minus 75 is what? 15 degrees right there, right? We add those all up, ladies and gentlemen, what did I get? Negative what? Negative 465? Yes? please do not leave off the little degree mark. The degree mark is very helpful because that lets me know that you're talking about degrees here. Right? Any questions on that? All right, so that's the first 4. So we've done 2 of them. Y'all be okay. Now let's go to number 5. What does it say for number 5? All right, so now we're going to have you draw the angle, right? Correct? So number 5 is 385 degrees. So I need you to take 30 seconds and let's see if you can draw this angle. Go. It's in the positive direction, right? So it's going positive, so I know it go that way, right? 2. Guys, if it's above 360, then this is what I'm going to do. How much is it from 385 minus 360? How much? Okay. So I'm going to go a full rotation, and then how much more? 25 degrees, right? So watch what I'm about to do. So I'm going this, and I'm going to stop right there and bada bing, right? Does yours look like mine? No, ma'am. That would be wrong. Because 385 is more than one rotation.
I did. Mine's just like.
No, ma'am. There's no way you got it.
Look, you see, like, I just started right there.
Oh, no, you can't start there. You have to start on this side. Okay. So always make sure that you're starting on the positive x-axis, right? X and Y in the first quadrant, right? Let that x-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, be your beginning side, and then rotate terminally from there. Or clockwise or whatnot. Any questions on that? So good? Yes.
I think you do, like, 360.
Yeah. All right, so there. This one will challenge you a little bit. See what you can do. I'll give you 30 seconds. All right, y'all ready? Okay, so it's negative angle, right? So which way am I going? Right? But I'm starting over here. This is my, man, that was whack. Still, let me do this. It didn't like that. All right. That's my starting side, right? So I got to go, I'm not above 360, right? So I know I'm within one rotation, correct? Yes? So am I above 180 or below 180? So there's multiple ways that you can do this. Right? Now, you could name this, you could put negative 10 here, right? Or $80 there, right? It doesn't matter. Or you could just say, I guess the negative 10 lets you know that you're past 90, right? Which would be 100. That's a little bit more than just slapping negative 100. Y'all understand what I'm talking about? I could put negative 100 and now you have to put the negative 10 there. But that negative 10, if you think about it, how would they have it written if they wanted me to write the angle? Think about that. Do I have enough information to find it? So I could either do it by the -10 or the what? The 80 there. Those are, either ones gives me enough information to get back the other way. Okay. Any questions on this? Y'all good? Do you need number 7? You want to do number 7? Y'all good with the, okay, let's go, what's the next one? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Find the reference angle. What is the reference angle, guy? It's that part that's in there, right? That little part? Let's see what you can do. They got +10. Did you get +10? Okay. What do I need to complete for homework? Those last 3 problems, and then look at the radians on the back. You need to look at it in terms of radians, right? Let's see if the wheels fall off or not. Good day.